Warm welcome to all. Dear learners, in last lecture, in a series for the rate analysis, in last lecture we discuss and we calculate different quantities of brick required for 10-meter cube construction of brickwork with 1:6 mortar. Now today I will discuss rate analysis for 12 mm thick plaster with 1:6 cement mortar. Clear? Okay. So first we assume the quantity of plaster is 100 square meter. So the difference while calculating brickwork, we calculate quantity in meter cube. Here plaster is in square meter. Clear? Hence the volume of the mortar as required for 12 mm plaster is 100 meter, that is 100 square meter. This is the area. Okay, you put over here a square. I will put over here. This is okay. So this is 100 square meter into the thickness. Thickness will be 12 mm. So please take a note that you will always mention your unit in same format. Here meter square. So you have to convert this quantity 12 mm. Also meter is meter. Okay. So that's why total quantity of cement mortar is 1.2 cubic meter. Okay. So I was discussed in last class that we have to add some percentage for filling the joint surface. There may be surface unevenness, there may be some wastage. So that's why we assume that 30% is wastage. Okay. So there will be 1.2, that is calculated value, plus 30% of 1.2. Okay. So that will be 1.56 cubic meter. Clear? Now why we use this 30% wastage? Any idea? Because there may be surface unevenness, there may be some bonding is there, there may be some wastage also. So that's why we will take some extra 30%. Okay. So now come to next. As I earlier discussed to you that for 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume of mortar material, it will produce 1.0 cubic meter of set mortar. What is this? I earlier discussed that cement is just like a potato chips. It may contain 50% whites. Okay. So in potato chips packet also, so many air and less quantity of potato chips. Same. So whatever you use dry volume, there may be some voids in cement and also sand. But voids in cement is higher. Voids contain air. So that's why for 1 cubic meter weight mortar, it means you have to mix water. When you mix water in cement and sand, what happens? Air will spill out and remaining is your set mortar. So that's why 1.25 cubic meter dry volume we have to take. So the volume of the dry material is 1.56 cubic meter. Okay. So we have to take 1.25 times of 1.56. So total volume here, how much? We have to multiply 1.25 with uh, whatever our calculated value 1.56. So it will give you 1.96 cubic, 1.95 cubic meter. Okay, this quantity. So what is our ratio? As earlier that our ratio is 1 is to 6. That is 1 is to 6. Okay. So 1 is cement, 6 is sand. Okay. So the volume of the cement 1.95 divided by 7. So we are having 0.28 cubic meter. Now number of bags required, as I earlier calculated, for 1 meter cube it is required 0.037. For 0.28 meter cube that will be 8. So please look how we calculate this. I again show you. We are calculating last numerical. See here. Okay. Please look at this. Okay. So one bag contain 50 kg. Density of cement is 1440. So volume will be mass divided by volume. Sorry, volume equal to mass divided by density. So the one cement bag contain volume 0.347 cubic meter. Okay, one cement bag. So what is in our problem? What happened? In our problem, we have to calculate what is the volume of cement for 0.28 cubic meter. So one bag, the volume of one bag is 0.0347. So we have to divide by one bag. So we will get 8 bag. Clear? It is nothing. Okay. So the volume of sand required 0.28, that is into remaining portion. Or you can also write whatever our total volume, this may be like that, which same, which will be equal to, that is 1.95 1.9, this will be our divide by 7. So the ratio is 7 into multiply with 6. Okay, because 1 is to 6 is the ratio. Here we are using ratio 1 is to 6. 1 is cement, 6 is sand. So the total volume of the sand is 0.28 into 6, that is 1.68. Same. Okay. Now come again for rate analysis. For rate analysis, as we assume that our area of the plastering is 100 square meter. Clear? So what material that we use for plaster? That is cement and sand. How much quantity of cement that we calculated? 8 bag. What is the cost of per bag cement? 320 per bag. So the total cost is 2560 Indian rupees. Now come to the sand. For sand, what is quantity that we calculated earlier? 1.68 cubic meter. I request you please have your diary and pen with you. You have to calculate this quantity separately in your notebook. Clear? So the rate per cubic meter is 350. So that's why total value of cement in Indian rupees, that will be 588 rupees. So what is the labor charges for that? this cost from turnout table, that is we discuss in lecture 10. Head mason required 2 number. The wages to the head mason is 450 per day, rupees 450 per day. So that's why 900 for that. Mason 6 number, that is 350 per day, 2100. Mason means the one who makes the cement and sand. Okay. Now Mazdoor is 8 number, 220 per day, 1760. Now please, this rate may be different. This rate, no, this may be differ from place to place. Don't worry for that. What is Bishti? Bishti is nothing but the person who carry water for mixing the this mortar. So that will be 220 per day. So that will be 440. Okay. Now we sum up all this thing. Okay. You sum up all this thing. This you will get total 8478 rupees. Okay. Now what we have to add, some provision for tools and machinery, water requirement also we have to add for that. So come over here, total material for labor 8478, we have to add 1.5% water charges. So which amount of 1.5%? That is to the labor charges. Okay, whatever quantity that you have calculated, this will be now. So you have to 1.5 of this one. Okay, additional 10% profit. For what 10%? That is labor charges to the contractor. What is the grand total? Grand total will be 9452.97 in Indian rupees. Okay. Now what is the cost per unit? Cost per unit will be this divided by what we have used 100. We calculate this for 100 cubic meter. So that's why 100 square meter plastering work. So you have to divide this one with 100. So you will get 94.53 rupees. Clear? This one. So this is the manner how we calculate the rate analysis. In next lecture, we discuss cement mortar 1:2:4 for RCC work, excluding reinforcement and form work. So we have to calculate this value. Okay. If you find any doubt, please ask me. Okay, you post your question in Google Classroom. I will respond over there. Okay, we continue this in next lecture. Thank you.